And this one goes down as one of the best relaxer days ever. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subs? And how y'all doing, noobs? And just in case you don't know what a noob is, well, that's actually short for newbie. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second. Honey, it may even be for the fourth or the fifth. We don't count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today, y'all already know what's up. Y'all know what's about to go down. Before you tiptoed in here, I'm sure you looked at the title of the video. So let's get right to it. Today is the day that we are going to check in and check out what is going on with my do. That's short for hairdo. Meaning we are going to check out what is going on with my hair. For those who are not initiated and are new around these parts, what we like to do is we like to check in every now and again. Checking what's going on with my hair to make sure everything is showing and flowing and going and doing what it is supposed to do. Now, by my calculations, we were right on time with this one because I relax my hair about every 7 to 8 weeks. And I just relaxed it about a day ago, which was exactly 8 weeks because the prior session, I think we went about 9 weeks. If I am remembering correctly, which is not a big deal. But this time around, we did make it to 8 weeks and we got right to relaxing. So I am going to show and tell what is going on with my hair as far as how Relaxer Day went. So first I'm going to get to the telling, just a little bit of telling. And then I'm going to get to the showing. And then I'm going to tell some more, which means I'm going to jibber jabber just a little bit more. And then we're going to get up out of here and give the benediction. Okay? So that is the order of the program. So without any more delay and without any further dilly-dally, we are going to jump right to it. And in this portion of the video, we're going to do the little Deux, the little finger foods, to get y'all ready for the main course. Mainly, we're going to talk about any products that I may have used as far as new products, any old products, any change-ups in the mix. And then we're going to get right to the showing, the main course. So with that being said, I didn't try anything new, as I normally do not. You guys know that in my last wash, I did do the Olaplex. I hadn't used that in a long time, and I figure I would just do that. And so I did that as well as a little bit of color, which I normally try to use or do the week after I relax. So I did a little change up there. So with that being said, I don't know whether that had any influence over my relaxer day, but I have to tell you, this was one of the best relaxer days that I have had in a long time. But we're going to get more into that a little bit later. So no new products. I did use my relaxer. I told you guys that I've been getting it online since it's not readily available to me. The mild version of the relaxer that I use, which is ultra precise. I did use that. And everything went really well, just as far as the application and then the rinse out and the wash and this and that and yada. So in conclusion, nothing new as far as the products, but again, I do love the results. And we are going to get right to the results right about now, which is what we like to call around here the main course or the entree or the main event. The meat and potatoes. So we're going to jump right to that. I'm just going to basically show you what I'm working with, show you what my hair looks like from the front, the side, and the back, just to give you a whole 360, the whole panoramic view of what my hair looks like. Now, we're not going to really focus in on the length because we've already reached our length goals and we've sort of been having fun as far as trimming it and keeping it a certain length. We're pretty steady at mid-back and we're happy with that. But again, we're going to give the full picture of what my hair is looking like, and then we're going to give some more details, and then we're going to wrap it up. So if you're ready, I'm ready. That means we're ready. So let's go. Okay, guys, so yeah, that was the showing, and I am liking. I got my bounce back. I don't know if anybody noticed, but I got my bounce back, and I'm pretty happy. And for those who are not initiated and didn't see the prior hair video, when I did the Olaplex and I did the color and the conditioning and all like that, I basically had a 3-cap day, meaning I did the Olaplex, put on a cap, then washed my hair, then I had to use a cap for the conditioner, then a cap for, meaning a plastic cap for the color. And I just think that was too much for my hair. So my hair was just very limp in my last video. You know, it just sort of was like blah. But this time it's like, ooh, la la. You know what I mean? It's sitting up a little bit more, and it's giving me a little bit more volume, a little bit more va-va-voom, if you will. And that's how I like my hair. So I got my bounce back, and I'm liking the way that it is feeling. Like I said, this was the best relaxer day that I've had in a while. You know how I said in a couple of prior relaxer day videos, how my hair felt a little bit dry. It just felt a little bit drier, but it's feeling, this time around, it's feeling really good, really soft, moisturized, nourished, and all that good stuff. Now, I don't know whether the Olaplex had anything to do with it. The jury's still out, not exactly sure. Don't want to really put that on Olaplex's shoulders, but I will say that my relaxer day results are pretty darn good, and I'm very satisfied with them. So y'all know the deal. Every time I relax, which is 7 to 8 weeks, I like to trim my hair. So I trim my hair, I do a dusting, just a little itty bitty trim 4 weeks in, and then on relaxer day I do an actual trim, meaning I trim just a little bit more, cut off a little bit more. And with that being said, I barely had to trim anything. I think I trimmed maybe a half an inch. And I'm very pleased with that because it keeps my ends flowing and going and keeps the split ends at bay, because we don't like split ends around here. We really don't. And with that being said, I didn't really trim my bangs, so they're a little bit longer. I don't know if you noticed, but they're now officially to the top of my lip, pretty much. Because if you remember, it was sort of hovering right above my lips, so sort of halfway. But we're pretty much at the top of the lip right now. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to debate whether I need to cut it just a little bit. It doesn't matter. I like the whole look, and it's a little longer. So we're just gonna rock that for a little bit, and then if I think it's too long later on, you know me, I'll just trim it and it'll go back to where it needs to be. But that is the skinny on the trimming, and the bangs and the bang length. They're a little bit longer, but I am liking the whole full picture of what is going on top of my head. Not only with the overall look, but we've been keeping up with that middle part. When I showed you the back, I show you the middle part because in the past, it has sort of gotten away from me. It'll thin out towards the bottom, which is why I keep up with my trims. That way everything is thick all the way through. So that has been successfully kept up as well. So that's about it. I am happy. And this one goes down as one of the best relaxer days ever. Yes, very pleased, very happy. So that's my side. That's what's going on with me. But you know, when it comes down to catching up, it's not just about me. No, honey, not around here. It is not just about me. It is also about all of you. So for all those who have been chomping at the bit and been anticipating for this portion of the video, chomp no more. Honey, your time has come. Because now is the time that I pass the mic to all of y'all. I done jibber-jabbered long enough. So it's now time for me to share the mic. Passing on to all of y'all, and y'all let me know what is going on with y'all. And we like to call this portion of the video, say it with me, Raw! Yes, honey, grab mama and them and tap them on the shoulder just in case they took a little nap, and bring them on into the room. Come one and come all, grab the mic and let us know what is going on with their hair, with your hair, with sister's hair and mama's hair. Anybody who wants to come to the front and give their hair testimony of what is going on. Maybe you tried something new. Maybe you tried something old. Maybe you rocking a new style. Maybe you said, honey, I'm not dealing with it no more. I'm going to a professional because I am through. Whatever your hair story is, and if you care to share, then come on to the front and get to telling. Because along with the rest of us, I'm very interested in what you got to say. So while everyone is coming to the front of the congregation and getting themselves ready, I think it is time. Let's do that again. Okay, my voice cracked a little bit. I think it is time for us to bid adieu. What do you think? I think we should, honey. It is time to give the benediction. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to get on back in here because we got some more stuff to talk about. So you got to come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.